Former Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan boycotted proceedings of what's been called a kangaroo court set up inside Adiala jail where he was being tried in a politically motivated case. Mr. Khan has been falsely implicated in over 270 cases by the Pakistani military regime, which wants to keep him imprisoned and out of the public eye. Imran Khan has been in jail for 488 days, many of which have been in solitary confinement. The military intelligence officials who control Adiala jail barred media from covering Mr. Khan's jail trial, which prompted him to boycott the proceedings of the Tosha Khana 2 case. Pakistan's military government arrested PTI leaders today after they were indicted in a false case relating to the May 9th false flag events. Senior leaders of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, including the opposition leader in the National Assembly, Umar Khan, were arrested in connection with a protest outside the Pakistani Army headquarters. Umar was amongst 100 PTI supporters indicted in this case, along with former Prime Minister Imran Khan. Mr. Khan was abducted on May 9, 2023 by the paramilitary forces from the Islamabad High Court, after which nationwide protests took place throughout the country. Umar along with the others, was not present in Rawalpindi where the protest took place. It's been over 18 months since May 2023, but the Pakistani military has yet to provide any evidence against PTI or its leaders of any planned vandalism of government property or any CCTV footage to back up its claims. Amnesty International on Wednesday urged the Pakistani military government to halt plans to pass the Anti-Terrorism Act Amendment Bill 2024, saying it does not comply with international human rights law and standards, including the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. The organization criticized the expansion of arbitrary detention powers for the powerful military and civilian forces, which could lead to human rights violations, particularly against journalists, activists, and marginalized communities. It argues that the bill contradicts Pakistan's international commitments under the ICCPR and undermines safeguards for detainees. Over the last 2 years, Pakistan's military intelligence agencies have been abducting journalists, politicians, civil society members, and social media activists. The proposed bill would give legal cover to the intelligence agencies. In a letter to the law minister, the organization said, and quote, "Amnesty International is deeply concerned by the involvement of the military in law enforcement operations," unquote. Human rights group Amnesty International has concluded that Israel's war in Gaza meets the legal threshold for genocide in a damning new report. The report, published on Thursday, titled "You Feel Like You're Subhuman: Israel's Genocide Against Palestinians in Gaza," is the culmination of months of research by Amnesty, including extensive witness interviews, analysis of visual and digital evidence, including satellite imagery, and statements made by senior Israeli government and military officials. Amnesty said the Israeli military has committed at least 3 of the 5 acts banned by the 1948 Genocide Convention, including indiscriminate killings of civilians, causing serious bodily or mental harm, and deliberately inflicting on Palestinians in Gaza conditions of life calculated to bring about their physical destruction. Amnesty said, and quote, "Our research reveals that for months Israel has persisted in committing genocidal acts, fully aware of the irreparable harm it was inflicting on Palestinians in Gaza."